Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, a disability law practice mostly in Central Florida, but we're doing claims pretty much all over the place now within the general area. Let's go ahead and begin. Question 10 of the top 50 ALJ trick questions. This is one that's near and dear to my heart because I don't think they should be allowed to ask about it, but they do. The pet trick question. How far do you walk? Okay, so do you have any pets? Oh, I have a dog. Okay, so how far do you walk your dog? Do you feed your dog? That involves bending over. Do you take your dog to the vet? Transportation. Do you have it? How do you afford the vet? When you walk your dog, how far do you walk? Do you have to climb over things to get to the location they have to be, such as curbs, such as little tree stumps, stuff like that? Does your dog pull on you? Are you able to hold back the weight of your dog? How much does your dog weigh? Right? All these things are floating around inside the administrative law judge's head. You have to be aware that if you have a pet, it's going to harm you unless the pet is a trained pet, specifically to take care of your impairments. Super coach? Good. All right, so what do you need to know? Having pets, they're going to call into question a lot of details relevant to whether or not that pet dictates that you can actually work in the national economy. So just keep that in mind and be aware of it. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Have an absolutely wonderful day. We'll catch up from there. Now, if you have any questions, you want the most updated information, that's fine. Shoot me a call or give me a text. Also, as of the 9th of April 2020, which is Thursday, next Thursday from this video, I'll be going live at 8 p.m. and you guys can call me at 407-279-1754 on the phone, and I will answer it, first come, first serve, and run questions with you. And it'll be live, so don't use your real name, all right? And then we'll run the stuff, I'll give you the disclaimer, and we'll go through it, all right? My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. We're not even just Orange County anymore. We're all the little counties around. We're Florida, plus Georgia now, plus the Virgin Islands, so plus Puerto Rico. So bottom line is we practice disability law for all those different locations, but really Central Florida is where I do the majority of work. All right. Have an absolutely wonderful day. We'll go from there. Thank you so much.